Alright, so this is my D41 third generation Frontier, and these are the TrailSlider. I did not want to lose ground clearance. Well folks, welcome to Netcruzer Cars, although this is going to be another truck video. I'm doing a lot of truck videos lately because I bought a truck. This is my 2022 Nissan Frontier Pro4X, and when I ordered it from the dealership, I got someone else's order. I got it how it was spec'd, which is how I wanted it, which was without the running boards, because I don't like the factory running board choices, but it also leaves my rockers completely exposed for when I want to go rock crawling. And I have now chosen what I want to use for rock sliders and boards. So it's going to protect my rocker area, and I could not find one that actually attaches to the frame, but what they do is they attach to these studs, which are on the body. Now these are the studs that are meant for the factory boards. So we're just going to unbox what I chose and install them. Okay, so I decided to choose N-FAB. These are the N-FAB TrailSliders. You can get a couple of different versions of the N-FAB, but the TrailSliders are one of their newest kind of hybrid running board slash rock sliders. You can get them for Jeeps and for other off-road vehicles, but they've recently come out for the new Frontier. It's part number TSN 22CC-TX. This is for the crew cab version. I get this unboxed and put them on. I saw this on TikTok from the what? No way guy, that you should be able to get these straps off without any tools. So apparently you're just supposed to like take this and like peel it instead of having to cut them. It sort of works. It's still easier to cut them. Yeah, this one's gonna work. Oh, no. Yeah, sort of. All right, getting the box open was easy peasy. We just kind of rolled it open, and here they are. So you got some good foam packaging on the side. I've never looked at these to see if they're damaged. Got to get them cut open, and we'll see. These are steel, tubular. All right, so we got the first one unbagged, and look at this. It's already cracked through the powder coating everywhere where these uprights are on the other side in shipping. Damaged there, damaged there, and this side got off okay, but yeah, that's on the very underside. I guess I'll just, whatever, coat that with my anti-rust stuff. But this is where steel plus powder coating is not as reliable as they say, and I may end up having to box liner these, but we'll see. This one looks to have got off without any damage so far. They're approximately 50 pounds each, so I think the box said it was 80 plus pounds. So they're 40 to 50 pounds each, and they should be good. Also for the install should be fairly simple because one of them is a captured hole, so you can just hang them on those double studs and bolt them in place. All right, all the installation information you have to go get from the internet. It's stupid simple. It's just a couple of nuts and washers, but I want to see how many washers you're supposed to put on and where. And this is the mounting hardware. Serrated nuts. All right, we've got the driver's side on. Now we're going to work on the passenger side, which should be much easier to figure out because we now know what we're doing. For these studs, if they don't align with the hole, do not drill out the boards. You don't need to do that. We've learned that. You can just tap them with a mallet. They move back and forth quite easily. So just tap them in the direction you need them to go, and that'll work well. Also, we're putting the washers against the body because the instructions are wrong. The instructions seem to be all wrong. The instructions say to hang the boards, then put the nut on, and then put the washer on. So I'm putting washer, then the boards, and then the nuts. So the serrated part digs into the boards. They've now been installed. I've not really had a chance to actually slide on rocks with them, but, oh, kitty cat just leaving. They are fully boxed underneath here, so it does provide great rocker protection. And it'll just take some time for me to actually start using them. I already know this powder coating is not going to hold up. As you've seen from just the unboxing, it was chipped. I just hope that they don't end up looking really ugly and rust out super quick. If they do, I'll have to look at a solution just for aesthetics. But yeah, I've taken it kind of mudding. The TrailSliders. There's still a bit of a gap where you can get a rock caught right in between the front fender and the rocker, but the rest of it's fairly well protected. Taking it on some mild off-road trails, but I haven't actually done any rock crawling with it yet. So it'll take a while for me to test that. But overall, it does exactly what I hoped it would do. And they are strong enough where, you know, I can put my full weight on there and they're fine. It'll move the whole truck. They do stick out just a little bit from the edge. It's if you have a small child's foot could fit through there, but an adult's will not. So yeah, this is my full weight. I'm currently 230 pounds. This is both feet on it, jumping up and down. The truck's moving, the boards are not. I'm happy with that. And yeah, so those are the N-FAB TrailSliders. And from aesthetics wise, I think that they look pretty good. They just add that little bit of subtle protection, boards without losing ground clearance, which was the key thing. I did not want to lose ground clearance. That's why I wanted ones that had that kind of angle like that. So pretty cool. Upgrades that I've done have been the TrailSliders, the cap, the front tint windows tinted. I forgot to make a video about that, but there's some other little minor cosmetic things coming that I'll tie it all together, and yeah, that'll be my summer 2023 look with the truck. I'm happy with them. The N-FAB TrailSliders. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.